Did you know you can make sketch notes like these or like this in seconds using Google Gemini? Here's how you do it. Okay, so we're in Google Gemini. I've just gone to gemini.google.com and we're going to start a basic chat in here. Just going to make sure that we've turned our mode from fast to thinking, which gives us a better quality of response. I'm going to type in a prompt first for the concept that I want Gemini to explain. So I'm going to paste in my prompt here. Can you explain why we get seasons and why the Earth's tilt is important for this? Can you explain this for 10-year-olds? So using that prompt, I'm going to generate an explanation in Gemini. So there's the explanation. What I'm going to do is put in the prompt now, which asks it to create a hand-drawn sketch note, visual summary of this explanation. There's a whole load more text that I'll put this text in the video notes. Art style should be visual thinking, graphic recalling, type of pen it's using, and so on. Suitable for a 10-year-old. What I need to do is click down where it says tools, and I'm going to choose create image. With that already, I'm going to hit submit. So there's my sketch note. You can click on it to make it larger, or you can mouse over it and go here for download full size. You might find there's a few errors in this. I'm not so happy about the words flashlight and so on, so you might want to ask it to regenerate. You could also try and get some more complicated sketch note. So let's start a new chat and try something a bit more complicated. Describe training for AI to beginners. Explain how to use it in education. Let's generate that first. Then, like before, I'm going to use the same prompt as last time, and I'm going to remember to tell it to create an image. And again, it's produced a sketch note for me. I can share that, copy it, paste it elsewhere, or I can download it full size. Try this out for yourself, see what kind of prompts work best for you. Play around with the sketch note generating prompts and see if you can get some better quality sketch notes. As I said, just try it and experiment, see what you get. Hope you found it useful. Be back with some more videos soon. Thanks for your time. Cheers. Goodbye.